Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Pradesh haka arpunyo tre Kular lengkot arajar pusan kala pelat pajba ya ka Thup ki Kular lani ka manifesto jongka na ka benta ka election MDC sya KHADC bat JHADC ka ban salong haka arpuai tre rempang arajar pusan. Ya kene ka Thup ki Kular la pelat do presiden ka parti Urikman G Moment haka ba ka BJP kala Kular balada ka wan haka bor kan penyo no da ka Tulop ya ki Khlieh Nongsynshar kan Thup ki Sordar bat ki Rangbah Shnong. Ka BJP kala Kular ru ban sam jengerap pisa ka ba arhajar shibna ya ki belas ngi kum ki nong trai kenta ki nong nyak kali ki bal khlat lok ki long kme bekersan dalade bat bakan pentrai kam daki dor bar Shnong. Namar ke jing hiar palat ka khajna na ka kam khayi do yong ka BJP kala Kular bakan sedang no ya ka kam ti do yong kat kum ke jing betha jong ka yeng kasari Supreme Court ban penkio ya ka jing yo nong jong ka council na lor kiwe pat ki jing Kular.
So this is the official party manifesto for the upcoming MDC elections from BJP Meghalaya Pradesh.
We are able to gather here today, especially after me being re-elected as the state president. I welcome all the candidates of the party for upcoming MDC election and I extend my best wishes to you. May you come out with flying colors. Every election is important and this election is also very important for the party and for that reason I will like to congratulate the manifesto committee under Dr. Bernadette Lindo as the convener that in a very short span of time, she and her team were able to come up with the manifesto. I urge each candidate to make use of all the uses that party is raising and to reach out to every voters to convey the message of the works that party intends to do if voted. The task may be huge, but all candidates are now the image of the party, and that we humbly bow to the needs of the electorate through each one of you. As a political party in Meghalaya that has been encouraging our grassroots caricatures to take party activities seriously so that we are able to serve the weakest section of the society, and there is no doubt that if we use our intention and skills efficiently, we will win any election in the state of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingbah ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.